You bought a reliable engine for its longevity, but now it's drinking oil faster than fuel. This isn't a leak, it's a high-tech engineering trap. Look at these low-tension piston rings clogged and seized by carbon. Today, we perform a forensic audit on the low-tension piston ring trap, exposing why modern engineering for MPG is killing engine life. Stay until the end, because we reveal a financial solution that costs less than a tank of gas but prevents a $6,000 rebuild. To meet strict government fuel economy standards, manufacturers move to low-tension piston rings. They reduce friction, but they have a fatal flaw. They lack the scraping power of older designs. When combined with long oil change intervals, carbon deposits turn these precision rings into frozen metal, allowing oil to bypass the combustion chamber. This is the forensic signature of the modern oil burning crisis. Point 1. Microscopic carbon buildup. We see the forensic evidence here: hard carbon deposits locking the ring into the piston groove. Once the ring loses its tension, it can no longer seal the cylinder, leading to massive oil consumption. Point 2. The oil consumption audit. Manufacturers claim 1 quart every 1,000 miles is normal. Forensically, we know this is a marketing lie to avoid warranty claims. Real-world data proves this is the first stage of total engine collapse. Point 3. High heat friction hotspots. Low-tension rings operate on a microscopic oil film that is easily broken. Thermal imaging shows where the lubrication fails, leading to increased localized heat and accelerated metal fatigue. Point 4. Catastrophic bore scoring. When ring seize, they scratch the cylinder walls. This scoring creates permanent pathways for oil to burn, resulting in blue smoke and a total loss of engine compression. Point 5. The 8 critical failure pathways. Our audit connects low-tension rings to cascading damage across the entire engine block. From valve guides to catalytic converters, nothing is safe once the oil starts burning. Point 6. Clogged oil return holes. Look at these tiny passages behind the ring. When they are blocked by sludge, oil has nowhere to go but into the combustion chamber. This is the smoking gun of operational neglect. Point 7. The financial reality check. A $60 chemical piston soak versus a $6,000 engine replacement. The math favors the investigative owner who acts before the oil light stays on. Point 8. The forensic maintenance checklist. Switch to high detergent synthetic oils. Maintain 3,000-mile intervals and perform regular chemical cleaning. This is your defense against the low-tension trap. The oil burning crisis isn't your fault, but it is your problem to solve. The reliable engine of today requires a higher maintenance standard than the past. The solution? Abandon the 10,000-mile oil change myth. Move to a 5,000-mile maximum interval and use a high-quality engine flush every third change. Protect your rings, preserve your asset, and stay investigative. Thank you for watching AutoSight-G.